Hello guys, welcome to Milli YouTube channel. So you might be wondering, why do I share all my videos all the time? One of the reasons are simple. It's simply because we want our customers to be part of the process so that you may be comfortable, or rather confident, in what we are producing here at Milli Poultry, or rather you may be confident in the food that you eat or the chicken that you consume, because you were part of the process. And the other thing is because I'm so passionate about animals. Probably tomorrow or the other day, I'll do a video where I'll show you some of the animals that I own. Remember in my previous video I mentioned that I'm a dog breeder, so I'll show you one of my many dogs that I own. So I breed Boabos mostly. So I used to breed German Shepherds, but unfortunately I'm no longer doing that, but that's the story for another day. And the other thing is because we want our customers to be confident that we produce quality and healthy chickens on time. I want my customers to be confident in the chickens that I produce at my poultry. So let me walk you through in today's video. Today's video is day 18. We may have skipped a few videos due to circumstances beyond our control, but let's focus on today. So yesterday, I'll run you through a bit of what I did yesterday. So yesterday evening, I administered our third vaccine. Then after that, I administered stress pack. I gave stress pack to the chicks. So let me walk you through today. Today nothing much is happening. Just a regular day. Our chicks are eating here, eating heavily, and investing. So these boots, don't worry about the boots that I'm wearing, that is infected. And each time I enter this place, I make sure that biosecurity is my first priority, because it's really important that I do not bring any infections in this enclosure. So that's the reason why, as you can see, the birds are heavily developing and growing healthy. So this is almost 3 weeks, it's not even 3 weeks yet. And look at the size of this chick. I bet that this is almost a kg at least, because this is really heavy actually. So they're all healthy. And the others that I said in the previous video that are a bit lame in walking, we're doing everything in our power possible to help them. But they're healthy, they're okay, but they're just not walking properly. We have 2 chicks that are not walking properly. Maybe it's because of their overweight. But we'll work on it. So that's all I had for today, guys. And to our YouTube family, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep on moving together, step by step in this process. Because there'll be more and more videos coming in about poultry farming. I'll make days on which I'll walk anyone through out there who's willing to take the same step that I've taken, how to do poultry farming. There'll be days as you stay tuned, so please stay tuned, watch the videos, turn on the notification bell so that you get the videos on time whenever I upload new videos on our YouTube channel. And I think that's all. YouTube family, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to all of our viewers. We love you very much. Have a blessed day.